welcome to your look ahead to Friday, the 8th of December. Now, the set piece is, of course, the jobs report, but ahead of that, we've got third quarter GDP numbers from Japan. This is the growth rate print. Now, just taking a look at the Japanese yen versus the US dollar, it has actually been coming off the highs since around the 14th of November. And if you can see here, we've had this really big red candle there showing a fall of 1.6%. There's still a lot of talk about perhaps some sort of intervention, but nothing's been confirmed yet. Also, bear in mind that Japan's government has slashed its view on the economy. This is back in November, and its first such downgrade in 10 months. However, things are starting to perk back up again. So we are now waiting to see what this Q3 GDP growth print tells us. From the US, as I mentioned earlier, this is the main set piece, the non-farm payrolls. We've had some data out earlier than week, softer than expected, painting a softer than expected picture for the US labor market, which then fueled those expectations of an early rate cut from the Fed in 2024. The Labour Department's report expected to show non-farm payrolls increase by 180,000 jobs last month after rising by 150,000 in October. We've also got the Michigan consumer sentiment data. This is quite key after that Thanksgiving shopping period. And also look out for the Baker Hughes oil rig count. In terms of earnings, we've got Berkeley Group out of the UK. Now, we've had some fascinating data earlier on in the day, this session rather, from Halifax. Now, Halifax said that the house prices in the United Kingdom rose a second consecutive month in November. The reason why this is interesting is because it comes after similar data from Nationwide, which mirrored the rise or uptick in prices for UK houses, which comes after about a year of prices languishing due to high mortgage rates and also weak demand for homes due to the weak economy. So what Berkeley Group says about the outlook will be key, and also what it says about inflation cooling more than expected, because perhaps this might mean that consumers will have more money to put away in terms of savings and to put towards housing. And that's it for now. For more market moving news, I'll be back on Beat the Street at 13:30 London time to give you a heads up to the US trading day. And IG's Angela Barnes will be on at 7:30 to give you a heads up to the European trading session. Otherwise, follow me on Twitter at Angeline Ong. This is IGTV.